Wondering how to make women chase you? Well then, if you haven't watched the first part of this video, just click the I button on the top right corner. If you already did, let's go on with this video. Number 1. The first impression is always important. First impressions are powerful and lasting, and that's why you have to do everything you can to make it a great one. A woman will always remember the first time she met you. If you want to get the girl to chase you and fall in love with you instantly, you have to nail the first impression and make her realize what a nice guy you indeed are. Believe me, it'll be love at first sight. Also, another thing you have to pay attention to is how you'll approach her. You don't have to be a pickup artist, but you'll have to find or come up with a nice and romantic pickup line for her. Oh yes, forget about making the first move with a dirty pickup line, because it'll only be a major turn-off for her. However, sometimes things can go wrong, and you can fail to leave a good first impression. Don't worry if that happens, I have great news for you. Women are reasonable and forgiving when it comes to that, and they'll give you a second chance to turn things around. Number 2. Invest in yourself. There are plenty of other ways to attract women besides your looks, but we all like it when someone takes care of their physical appearance. Exercise, eat healthy food, take care of personal hygiene. Don't forget that women are crazy for men that smell good, so remember to wear deodorant or cologne. Wear clothes that fit your body. A good hairstyle will always significantly improve your looks. Also, your haircut tells a lot about your personality. Physical appearance is also related to your self-esteem. And a well-known fact is that women always fall for confident men. Looking good and attractive will boost your confidence and you won't feel insecure around girls. So, stop acting like an attractive man and become an attractive man. Number 3. Be mysterious. This is the most important thing you should know if you want to make a woman chase you. Being mysterious with a girl you like can make you look like a true irresistible alpha male. Don't reveal much about yourself on the first date. Also, don't share too much information about yourself on your social media. Let her investigate things she would like to know about you. This isn't playing hard to get, it's how you are going to find out if she likes you enough to find out some things about you by herself. She'll watch your every move. If she likes you, she'll want to know more about you. That's why your enigma will create an intense sexual tension between you and make her chase you more than ever before. I will be coming up with the next part of this video very soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.